Because arrays are built in to JavaScript and jQuery, there's a lot of methods that exist that let you manipulate data in the array. And JavaScript has an extensive library of methods. In fact, jQuery doesn't have much. JavaScript has the most. And so we're going to take a look at some of JavaScript's array methods. Pop and shift are two you're going to want to remember. Pop removes the last element from the array. Okay. And so it's just basically array name dot pop, and it is a method, so you do have to have a left and a right parenthesis. And that'll just simply remove the last element. If for some reason you want to store the last element, you can create a variable and set it equal to array name dot pop. And there's interactive examples for you to try here. So if we're looking here, we have a fruit array. And then we have fruit.pop. And they basically, after they do that, display the fruit array again. Okay, so you can see here's the array. After pop, we're missing one. And, you know, if you wanted to change this, and let's see, kind of make it your own and then run it. And you can see that it still removes the last element. This basically does the same thing, but you can see here's where it's removing the last element. It's actually displaying that. Instead of storing it in a variable, it's displaying it. Okay, and so here's the array. Here's the element that got removed, and then here's the new array. And of course, you can add whatever you want to this. So I added 2 more. And you can see how that changes. So pop gets rid of the last element. Shift removes the first element. And then the reason it's called shift is because all of the other elements move up. And when they move up, their index number changes. So basically, it's array name.shift. And so here we still have our lovely fruit array. And it's going to remove banana, basically. So you can see we've got banana here, but we don't have it here. And if you wanted to change it, and then it removes blueberry because I made that one first. You can use the delete operator with arrays to remove elements. I don't know that I would do it this way because it's going to replace the element with undefined. I think it's better to use pop or shift rather than do it this way. So if we use delete, it's simply delete dot and then the name of the array. And then you're going to subscript in and specify which one. And this is going to get rid of Toblerone because this is at position 0. So here it is. And if I click on try it, okay, you'll notice that I get comma Hershey. So there is still something there. It's not displaying it. What is in place of Toblerone is undefined.